Generative AI, the next evolution in IT. Are you ready? Hey, IT professionals, are you ready for the next big leap in technology? Something that could completely change the way you work, create, and think? Today, we are talking about generative AI, the breakthrough that's revolutionizing the IT industry. And trust me, if you're not already on board, it's time to catch up. So, buckle up, because we are diving into the future of IT. What is generative AI? Generative AI isn't just some fancy buzzword, it's a game changer. Imagine a machine that doesn't just process data, but creates something new from it. Whether it's generating code, writing content, or even designing entire websites, generative AI is at the heart of this transformation. Generative AI works through deep learning and neural networks, enabling it to understand patterns, learn from them, and generate new outputs. It's like teaching a machine to think creatively and then watching it solve problems and create solutions you never even imagined. Real-world applications. Now, let's take a look at where generative AI is already transforming the game in the IT world. It's not just theory anymore, it's happening right now. 1. Content generation. How many times have you had to draft a report or write a lengthy email? What if I told you that tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 and Jasper can automate content generation, freeing up your time for more creative tasks? Yes, that's right. The AI writes your drafts for you, and all you need to do is tweak them. 2. Code generation and debugging. Let's talk about coding. Are you spending hours writing the same lines of code or debugging errors? Well, AI tools like GitHub Copilot can generate code snippets or entire functions for you based on what you're working on. And debugging? AI like Tabnine and Codex can identify errors and even suggest fixes. Imagine cutting your development time in half. Generative AI makes that possible. 3. AI-powered design. For designers in the IT space, this is a game changer. Midjourney and Doll Pointy are AI tools that can generate stunning designs from simple text prompts. Whether it's for a new logo or a website mockup, AI handles the heavy lifting. The future of generative AI in IT. So, where is generative AI headed? The future is here, and it's bringing mind-blowing changes to IT. Let me break it down. 1. Automating complex decision-making. Generative AI isn't just about automating repetitive tasks. It's going to help IT professionals with complex decision-making. By analyzing large datasets, AI will suggest optimal solutions for business strategies, IT infrastructure, and even budgeting decisions. 2. Personalized client solutions. AI tools will be able to create customized software solutions for clients in real time. Imagine developing a complete, tailored software package based on specific client needs and doing it in record time. That's the power of generative AI. Ethical and industry challenges. While we are talking about all these amazing possibilities, let's not forget there are challenges too. From bias in AI models to ethical concerns around AI-generated content, we need to approach this technology with responsibility. Data privacy, AI ethics, and avoiding biases are going to be some of the biggest hurdles. It's essential to ensure that AI-generated solutions are ethical and fair. How IT professionals can prepare for generative AI. So, how can you prepare for the future? Generative AI is not just for developers, it's for every IT professional. Here's how you can stay ahead of the curve. Learn tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and OpenAI APIs. Dive into AI model training and understand the ethical guidelines behind deploying AI solutions. The more you learn about these tools, the more you can leverage them in your career. Generative AI is more than just a tool, it's the future of IT. It's transforming how we work, create, and solve problems. The question is, are you ready to embrace it? If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and share it with your fellow IT professionals.